Hey everybody, how ya doing out there? It's me, Timothy. Why don't you join me to have some Panera bread, the signature take chicken sandwich. It's a new sandwich at Panera Bread, so why don't you join me just to have that along with some kettle cooking tips. Also going to be doing an unboxing as well, so enjoy this video. How's everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's Friday's been a good one for ya. This is what it looks like, the chicken. So what you guys been doing today? Me? I've been at the auto shop since 10 o'clock this morning. "10 o'clock this morning I was at the auto shop. I was there at 10 o'clock and I didn't get out of there till about 4:30 this afternoon. Well, see, they needed this part to fix. Well, they delivered the wrong part to them, so they had to reorder another part. Every part I think they were bringing wasn't the right size. Well, then they found the right one. Well, come to find out, I'm having problems with my ball bearings as well. I gotta call the auto shop Monday morning to schedule an appointment to go back and take it. But I tell you, people on TikTok are funny. I've been able to do live streams on TikTok. And people today was asking me, do you work at Stinky Pete's restaurant? Like, what? Just the silly questions people ask. But hey, you know, on there, you can add people to come and join you while you're talking. And this is a pretty good chicken sandwich. Yeah, I was supposed to do a live stream today on my sports channel of the White Sox and Tiger game, but wasn't at home to do it. Yeah, if you got a Panera bread by you, give this one of the new chicken nut sandwiches a try. Now I'm gonna do an unboxing. Let you guys watch me do an unboxing here. Okay, this is a folding grabbler. Ha! Okay. Yeah. What's this about? Who said that? Well, thank you, whoever did. Don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I'm sure I'll find out. Oh, mamma mia, pasta pia. Well, thank you, whoever did it. I really appreciate it. Again, thank you very much. So what are y'all having good for dinner tonight? Let me know in the comment box what you're having. What you're chowing down on. Like to know what you're having for dinner. Oh. But yeah, it's been a long day for me. And I had to miss out my Tigers winning today. Got to listen to it on the radio, but hey, they came back and beat the White Sox 5-4. A good come from behind win for the Tigers. That is for sure. One win under the belt. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this video here. And if you did, can you smash that thumbs up button? Go totally thumbs up, can you? Hit that thumbs up button if you can. And if you're new and came along this video, hit that red subscribe button down there and subscribe to my channel. And check out my other videos here. I got plenty. So feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell, people. Whenever I pop up a video, you will be notified. But again, everyone, y'all take it easy out there and have a good one. And God bless everybody out there. And please remember, people, with the virus still out there, is to please be safe and take precautions. But until next time, they call me Mr. Timothy, and this vlog is over. Have a good one, everybody, and take care.